Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Motorola Moto G9 Power mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, hold the fingerprint button and gently pull out the back cover. If needs, add some heat to loosen the button adhesive. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 9 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the charging port cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the main flex plug and 2 antenna heads from the board. And then undo the screw on the board. Next, take out the not working charging board from the body. Next, place the new charging port board on the body. Next, secure the screw. Next, secure both antenna heads and the main flex to the board. Next, place the cover by adding 8 screws. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place the board frame by adding 9 screws. Next, turn on the device for testing. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. Make sure the fingerprint button is secured. And also at the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.